kids, how are you? I am Jishri Sharma, ready to teach you a new topic. But before starting, let me ask you a question. Ready? If somebody asks that where do you live, then what your answer will be? You will say na that I live in Surat. But where the Surat is? It is in Gujarat. Where the Gujarat is? It is in India. Where the India is? It is in Asia continent. But where the Asia continent is? It is on Earth. Yes, we all live on the Earth. The name of the planet on which we live is the Earth, and our today's topic is the Earth. Let's start today's topic. In EVS, today we'll learn about THE, the EARTH, Earth, the Earth. Earth is the name of the planet on which we live. What is the name of our planet? Earth, right? A globe is a model of the Earth. A globe, 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 is a MODEL, model of the Earth. What is the meaning of a model? A thing which is used as an example of something, like this picture, right? So this is the model of the Earth, and what we call it? A globe. This picture is called a globe. It has land and water. Can you see here? On this picture, this blue color indicates the water area on the Earth, and this brown color indicates the land area on the Earth. So we have land and water on the Earth. 3/4 part of the Earth is water and 1/4 part is land. 3/4 part of the Earth is water. 3/4 means such a big part we have as a water, and 1/4 means very less part. But let's understand it by an example of a pizza. You all like pizza now? How many slices are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 slices here of a pizza. 3/4 means out of 4 we have 3 slices, 3 part, okay? 1, 2 and 3. So 3/4 means out of 4, 3 part. So we have as a water on the Earth, and 1 part we have as a land. So 3/4 means this much part, and 1/4 means this much, only 1 part. A land on the Earth is high or low, green or yellow. There are different forms of a land. So let's understand them. Plains are one of the major landforms on the Earth. PLAINS, plains. Flat land is called plain. So what is a plain? Flat land is called plain. The land which is flat, like this way, okay? Most people live in plains. Most people live in plains. Why most people live in plains area? Because living a life on a plain landform, it's very easy. Most of the crops are grown in plains. You have seen the farms. The land surface is flat, so it's very easy to do farming over there. So that's why most of the crops are grown in plains. Most of the people live in plains. Next landform is mountain. MOUNTAIN, mountain. MOUNTAIN, mountain. Land that is high and round at the top is called hill. Land that is high and round at the top is called hill. Can you see this land? It is flat, and this one, it is high and round at the top. See, this one and this one is called hill. Very high land that is pointed at the top is called mountain. Very high land, see, it is a flat land, and see over here, very high land which is pointed at the top is called mountain. The top of the mountain is called peak. The top of the mountain is called peak. Very few people live on hills and mountains. Very few people live on hills and mountains. Why very few people only live on hills and mountains? Because life is very difficult over here. The roads are in a zigzag way. We cannot do farming very easily over here, right? It's very difficult to live a life on a mountain landform. Next we have desert. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert. Dry land which is covered, C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered with sand is called desert. Dry land which is covered with the sand is called desert. See in this picture, what is the color of a desert? Yellow. Camel is called the sheep of the desert. Can you see the camel here? Yes, it's called the sheep of the desert. It helps the people to travel from one place to another in desert because it is sandy area. We cannot travel by a car or some other vehicle easily over here. That's why people choose camel. People use camel to travel one and another place at here. And which plant this is? This is cactus. Which plant this is? This is cactus. This is one of the plant which grow in desert. Desert is a landform area which contains a very low rainfall, right? Water and rainfall is here very less than another in comparison of other landforms. Now, after the explanation of the different types of landforms like plains, mountains and desert, it's time to do an exercise. We'll do the exercise. Who am I? Means one word answer, right? We have a clue about the answer. We have to identify the answer and we'll write here. A model of the earth. What we call to the model of the earth? We call the model of the earth globe, right? So globe is our answer. The spelling of globe, G-L-O-B-E, globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. It is a flat land on the earth. It is a flat land on the earth. Means a one kind of landform. So which landform is flat? Plains, right? Plains. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. We all are living on a plains landform. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. Next. It is a very high land pointed at the top. It is a very high land pointed at the top. Okay, what we call to the very high land and pointed at the top? Mountain. Which landform it is? It is mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. It is the dry land covered with sand. It is a dry land and covered with sand. Where there is a sand on a land? Yes, is a desert. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert. Next, the planet on which we live. What is the name of our planet? Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. The planet on which we live is Earth. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you.